Welcome back to Mangools SEO video series. Stay tuned, we're going to take a look at one of the biggest buzzwords of keyword research, the SEO difficulty, also called the keyword difficulty. Let's check out our keyword homemade cafe. The difficulty score is 38. We are in the green zone. Here's the gauge. The higher the value, the harder it is to get in the first search results page. KW Finder's difficulty is based on the SEO rank, calculated for every URL on the first Google SERP. It takes into account the link profile and selected mouse metrics. A detailed calculation is in our blog. Getting a real-time value is a matter of one click on a keyword we want to analyze. Based on reviews and various comparisons, KW Finder's difficulty score is one of the most accurate on the market. We're happy to provide you with the most relevant results for your research. If you enjoyed this video as much as we do, feel free to share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Mangools YouTube channel to get fresh SEO ideas.